Experiencing issues with receiving texts or calls on your Tesco Mobile phone can be frustrating. Tesco Mobile operates on the O2 network, meaning problems can arise from a few key areas: your SIM card, call forwarding settings, or network coverage. In this video, we'll guide you through the common causes and effective fixes to get you back on track. We will cover SIM card malfunctions, incorrect call forwarding settings, and poor network coverage, and provide actionable insights for troubleshooting. First, we will start with SIM card issues. SIM card problems can often be solved by ensuring your SIM is properly inserted and undamaged. Try testing it in another phone to isolate the issue. Tesco Mobile offers free SIM swaps if needed. Incorrect call forwarding can block incoming messages. Check and reset your call forwarding settings via your phone's settings or the Tesco Mobile app. Disable voicemail temporarily to see if that resolves the problem. Finally, poor network coverage, especially in rural areas, can cause dropped calls and missed texts. Move to an area with better signal strength or use Wi-Fi calling if available on your plan. If problems persist, contact Tesco Mobile support. Remember to regularly check the Tesco Mobile app for updates and diagnostic tools, which include AI-powered assistance for SIM and coverage checks.